Pimples suck. No one wants to look at that big zit on your forehead, especially you when you're looking in the mirror, right? There's no worse feeling than waking up, looking at yourself, and seeing that you have a monster growing on your face. And usually it happens on the worst possible days, right? A job interview, or you have a date that night, or a school presentation. The timing is always impeccable. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 easy steps to prevent pimples and acne so that you can look your best on that special date. And then you can look into both of your eyes instead of looking at that third one that's growing on your forehead. Nobody wants that. The first step to being acne-free is having a monthly facial. Now, I know that most guys are scared of getting facials, but I'm telling you, it just feels so good and it's needed if you want that deep cleanse. Facials have been a celebrity skincare staple since their inception, and for good reason. They work wonders when preventing breakouts, smoothing out these fine lines that we all get, and giving your face an all-over glow. You go to a professional place, they'll actually do extractions, get rid of those pimples, those blackheads, and then rehydrate, re-moisturize your face, and you leave there feeling absolutely amazing. Number 2, you guys need to have a consistent skincare routine. This is probably the most important step of these 5, just because if you don't have a skincare routine and you keep getting acne and complaining about it, there's not much I can do. Boys, you gotta put a little bit of effort into this, otherwise you are going to have acne. That's just how it is. And I talk about this all the time, so if you still don't have a consistent skincare routine, it's time to get onto that. And the best way of doing that, to make it super easy for you guys who don't have a lot of time, who don't really want to spend time doing research on products, you just need to keep 2 things in mind. You gotta wash your face and moisturize during the day, and then wash your face and moisturize it at night. Those are the basics. The thing is, you need to make sure that you're keeping your skin clean to keep clear of acne. That's why I'm always telling you that having a skincare routine is so important. It's not just because it feels nice, right? Even though it does feel extremely nice. I look forward to it every day. But most importantly, you're cleansing your face. Because your face is oily, right? Skin is oily. So when you're walking around, you're literally getting dirt and gunk stuck on your face as you go on about your day. So at the end of the day, you should wash that off. So if you want to have clear skin fast, this is what I recommend, the Apricus Skincare Face Wash. You're gonna wash your face in the morning when you wake up, right? This is going to get rid of all of the sweat, whatever happened at night. I don't know if you drool, if anything comes out of your nose at night. I don't want to know, but this will cleanse that off of your face because you're rubbing your face all over that pillow all night. So you want to make sure that you cleanse in the morning. And then you use this again at night before you go to bed. The Apricus Face Wash is going to remove that acne-causing bacteria that clogs up your pores. It cleanses and refreshes your skin. Now, after you wash your face and get rid of those oils, of that gunk, that dirt that we talked about, you're gonna need to replenish that moisture and that hydration on your skin. That's where the Apricus Skincare Moisturizer comes in. And this is one of my favorite products because it literally gets sucked up by your skin so quickly. You put it on and immediately, like, you feel it just going in and getting sucked up by your skin. It is such a great feeling, really nice, hydrating, moisturizing feeling. It also has cucumber extract, avocado oil, proteins, it has peppermint oil. I mean, it has the works and it feels so good. And look at that, immediately you can see my skin is glowing from it. And last but not least, product number 3, this is the last one that you're gonna need, is the Apricus Skincare Exfoliating Scrub. Now, what this does is it actually exfoliates, meaning gets rid of all of those dead skin cells on your face, revealing brand new, young, fresh, smooth skin. This is my favorite product out of the 3, even though I absolutely love the other 2. This one, when you put it on and you just scrub your face, it feels different. Like, you literally feel like you're getting that new skin, that fresh skin is coming out. So I highly recommend you use this product twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. Do not use it every day because, like I said, you're actually scrubbing away dead skin cells and you need to give your skin time to rejuvenate. With this very easy 3-step skincare routine, you're set. There's not much else that you need, and this makes your life so much easier. All you do is subscribe to the Apricus Skincare system and you get the 3 products delivered to your doorstep and you never run out. Also, if you subscribe, you actually get 20% off plus free shipping. Guys, check out apricusskincare.com, get your products and get your skincare routine on lock, because this is gonna be key to making sure that you look absolutely amazing for that date or that job interview. The 3rd step, something that you should be doing if you're breaking out, is keeping track of what you're eating when you break out. Basically, this is what happens. Specific types of food make you break out. But it's not the same for everyone. So what I do is whenever I get some pimples, some acne, I always try to remember, okay, wait a second, what did I eat last night that made me wake up with this big pimple on my forehead? Like, what's going on here? And then I think back, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, usually it's chocolate. Usually it's chocolate, dairy products, peanuts. For me, that's usually what gets me. You need to do the same for you. You need to write down on your notes when it's happening, like, okay, you wake up, you have a pimple. All right, let's think about last night. What did I eat? Was it pasta? Was it dairy? What was it? So that when it happens again, if you had the same meal or the same ingredients the night before, then you know that you should stay away from those foods to have clear skin. Like I said, it's different for everyone, so you need to make sure that you're writing it down when it happens so that you can remember again the next time and go back to your notes and be like, you know what? This is what's causing it. For me, chocolate. And since we're talking about food, remember that you need to drink as much water as possible because that's gonna help you get that healthy, glowing skin that you came here looking for. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Alex Costa. Welcome to the channel. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok at Alex Costa. It's my job to help you live a better life, to make you feel amazing and look amazing. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button below and join the family. And by the way, step number 4 might be a little different than what you thought. Watch what you put on your hair and remember to wash your pillowcase. Now you're probably thinking, Alex, hold up. This isn't a hair video. What does this have to do with my skin? I'm gonna tell you. What you put on your hair most certainly goes onto your skin, especially at night. Like I said, when you're rubbing your hair, your face all over that pillowcase, you're literally rubbing all of that hair product or whatever it is that you put on your hair all over that pillow. And then you're rubbing your face on that pillow. Even now, you can see that my hair is kind of falling onto my face. So whatever I have on my hair is definitely going onto my skin. That is why you need to make sure that you're staying away from those horrible drugstore hair products with a bunch of chemicals that you can't even pronounce those chemicals. They shouldn't be going on your face. All of it ends up on your face. That's not good. So there's a couple of things you can do. 1, wash your hair before going to bed. That's a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, I don't do that every night, right? I definitely go to sleep with hair product in my hair. So I would say option number 2, and the easiest option, is getting rid of those drugstore products. And if you're looking for quality hair products with quality ingredients, most of you already know. And if you don't know, Forte series is what you're looking for. These products right here, not the crappy drugstore products, because there's no comparison whatsoever. Step number 5. Look, at the end of the day, you can do all of these things. You can be very smart about what you eat. You can have a consistent skincare routine. You can try a bunch of very expensive products. It doesn't really matter. You have to consult with a dermatologist if the problem persists. Why? I'm gonna give you 2 reasons. 1, because they know best. They're gonna look at your skin and immediately give you a great diagnosis and let you know if your skin is okay or if it needs improvement. And then 2, they can prescribe medication that can't be purchased over the counter at a store. These are more potent. They're gonna fix any issues a lot quicker and help you achieve that clear skin a lot faster. Look, I get it. Sometimes guys are like, I don't want to see a dermatologist. That sounds like something a girl would do. Guys, come on. Do you want clear skin? I think men should see a dermatologist once a year just for a checkup, especially if you have new acne spots, if you have, skin damage, sun damage. That needs to be looked at and that needs to be taken care of. And if you've tried everything and you're getting a lot of acne, this is the way to do it. This is the way to fix the problem. You have to go see a dermatologist. But like I said, even with that prescription medication, even seeing a dermatologist, you need to make sure that you're completing those other steps. You need to keep a consistent skincare routine. Eat great food that's not going to affect your body and your skin. And I definitely recommend you get Apricus Skincare. That is my recommendation for skincare products for men. Go check it out, apricusskincare.com. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.